In this video, I'm going to be showing you all some amazing tips and tricks on how to extend the battery life on your iPhone. So let's jump right into the video. First things first, let's dive into the settings. One of the easiest ways to save some battery life is by disabling background app refresh, which basically means that some apps are still running even when you're not using them. So what you're going to want to do to disable this feature is to simply go into your settings and then select General, tap on Background App Refresh, and then you can turn all of them off or select to turn just a few off. And that's it. That's all you have to do to disable Background App Refresh and save a bit of battery life. Now moving on to the second tip, let's move on to location services. There are a lot of seemingly unnecessary apps tracking that data, so you might want to consider turning off your location services for apps that you don't frequently use to improve your battery life. So to disable some of these, you're going to want to go to your settings once again, and then tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services, and unselect any apps that you don't want to track your location. Now before we go on to tip number 3, if you haven't clicked off this video yet, make sure to consider subscribing so you don't miss any more of my future content. Okay, another quick tip is to keep an eye on your battery usage, so you know which apps are the causes behind your battery drain. To check in on this statistic, go to the settings, go to the battery settings, and then you'll find a detailed breakdown of how much battery life each app is using. If you notice any apps using more battery life than usual, you might want to consider using them less often or finding an alternative app to take its place. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing for some more tech content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.